Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to download Battlefield 6 Open Beta on PS5. So here follow the steps. Step 1. From your home screen on your PS5, click on search option. Step 2. Type Battlefield 6 to search it, and from search result click on Battlefield 6 game. Step 3. Then click on 3 horizontal dots. You can see this 3 dot. Click on this horizontal dots and you can see that Open Beta is available August 9 to 10 and August 14 to 17. In step 4, then from the drop down select Battlefield 6 Open Beta. So select this Battlefield 6 Open Beta option. Step 5, and finally you can click on download button to download Battlefield 6 Open Beta on your PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please share this video and also like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.